Hey, we're here at the beach today at Cannon Beach looking at the sandcastle competition. Over here is our favorite one of the day. It's definitely a Kraken, and he is cracking on a ship. This is the judging panel over here. We have Becca, we have Lindsay, Rachel, and Drew. Drew, what do you think of this?
Definitely the best work I've ever seen in my life.
Lindsay, how about you?
It's like amazing. I've never seen anything as awesome as this.
Rebecca?
I really like it.
You heard it from the best, folks.
What about Rachel?
Yeah.
I liked it.
All right, let's take a walk through. Here we go. Explain. What is this? What am I looking at, guys? What is this?
Ship under attack.
Is that a ship? Whose ship is it?
The ship is actually supposed to be translated into somebody's life just being attacked by the ocean. A sea crashing down upon someone's life.
It's already get the whole thing. All right. Now explain to me the meaning of the eyeballs.
They're just eyeballs so that the squid can see.
So what's the meaning behind them?
The anger in all of us.
Is the Kraken happy?
Does it look happy? It's killing people.
Alright. Angry. Now wait, what is this? Steve, come here, Steve. Steve.
We need to talk to the mastermind.
Yes. Gentlemen. Explain the lock and key and the what am I looking at here?
Actually, is Rachel here? She's the inspiration. Yes. You and Josh.
Wait, which is scary and which is merry? The boat?
This is Scary Mary.
Together. You can't have scary without the Mary.
It's like Captain.
Like peanut without the butter.
It's like peach without earth.
Thank you for joining us today in our brief session of looking over the Kraken.
And the boat. Yay!